Hello, welcome to the accounting class. In today's video, we are going to discuss ledger accounts and trial balance. In the previous class, we have discussed analyzing of transactions and events, recording of transactions and events, which means preparation of the journal entries. In today's class, we are going to discuss posting from journal to ledger, which means how to create accounts and then finding out the balances of the ledger, and then with these balances preparation of the trial balance. We shall take one example and show you how the trial balance are prepared and the two sides of the trial balance will match. First of all, we shall see how to post from journal to ledger. What is ledger? Ledger is the collection of all accounts and their balances for an information system, that is called ledger. So collection of all the accounts at one place is called ledger. Ledger is a book of accounts where we keep all the accounts. It depends upon the company's size and diversity of operation, the number of accounts needed. If the company is small, so it can have about 20 to 30 accounts, but if the company is very big, there are many operations, so there can be thousands of accounts in ledger. So depending upon the size and diversity, the number of accounts will vary. Second thing is the chart of account. What is that? It is a list of all ledger accounts and includes an identification number assignment to each account. For each account there is some coding. For example, the coding is made in 3 digits. For example, 101 may be made as a coding for cash account. Similarly, 102 can be made for coding of the inventories account. So in this way, there is a chart which shows the various accounts and with their codes. This chart is called the chart of account. Now T accounts. What is account actually? Actually, account is prepared with the shape of English alphabet T. That's why if you look at this properly, it is English alphabet like T. It is a ledger account and its names come from the English alphabet. It has two sides, left and right. The left side is called debit and the right side of any account is called credit, which means the debit of that account will be posted to the left, and if there is any credit amount, that will be posted to the right. Debit and credit are the two sides of an account. As I told you, left side is debit and the right side is called credit. Now the balance of account. When the accounts are prepared, at the end of a period, the accounts are balanced, which means we have to find the difference between the total of debits and total of credits of any account. So if you find the balance, it means that any of the two sides may have more. For example, if total of debit of any account is more than total of credit, the difference will be called debit balance. If the total of debit is less, or we can say if the total of credit is more, it is called credit balance. So always the balance is called for those totals who have more of the accounts. So if debit is more than credit, it will be debit balance. If credit is more than debit, it will be called credit balance. So I can show you, for example, this is an account and here suppose this is credit and this is debit. If credit is 10,000 and debit is 3,000, debit is 3,000. So you will see that the credit is more. So the difference is 7,000, which will be called as the credit balance. On the other hand, if debit is more, for example, suppose in the debit side we have 20,000 and credit side we have 12,000. So this will be called as debit balance of 8,000. 8,000 debit balance will be called. Now I will show you to post from journal to ledger, how the ledger accounts are created, different accounts are created with one example. I have taken here 4 journal entries already. Journal entries, how to prepare, we have discussed this in the previous lecture. You can watch my previous video to find how to prepare journal entries using the rules of double entry system. So here we are not going to show you how to prepare journal entries. we are just going to show you how to transfer from journal entry to the ledger, which means how to learn posting. So that's why we have taken here the 4 journal entries. The first journal entry is cash account debit to common stock. The second is supplies account debit and cash account credit. Third is equipment account debit and cash account credit. Fourth is cash account debit and notes payable account. So whenever you have journal entries, you will start preparing accounts. So the first transaction gives you cash and common stock. So first of all, you will prepare cash account because it looks first. Cash account is prepared. Now for T accounts, we shall prepare and take the 2 sides and you will start posting. If you are going to prepare cash account, you will have to see cash in all the entries. In the first entry, we are seeing cash to the debit side. So what you have to do, go to the cash account and debit side of it, because the first item of cash is debit. Go to the debit side and write the amount of debit. So the first transaction has been posted now. Then come to the second transaction, see where is the cash account. The second transaction, cash account is credit, it is credit side. So the credit of cash account will go to the credit. In the cash account, we are posting it to the credit side because it is on the credit side in journal entry. Thirdly, again we have cash account to the credit side of this 800 will go to the credit side of cash account. Fourth, we have cash account debit, so it is debit, therefore it will go to the debit side. Fourth. Now we don't have any cash in these journal entries. Now it's a turn to find the balance of the account. We shall make the sum of these debit side and credit side. If you make the sum of the debit side, you will find it 10,000 plus 4 yani 14,000, and to the credit side 500 and 800, which means 1,300. So if you find the difference, it will be 12,700. This 12,700 will have a debit balance because, as I told you, debit side is more. This is debit and this is credit. If debit side is more, we call it debit balance. So we have got 12,700 as debit balance of cash. Okay, so first account is done. Now come to the second account. With the same transactions, after cash, what we get? After cash, we get common stock. So the second account will be prepared common stock. Let us prepare, take the 2 sides, debit and credit. Common stock first of all is credit, so in the credit side I will post it. That's why this 10,000 has been posted to credit side. Then after, you need to search common stock. Is there any other common stock? No, there is no common stock. So only one account is posted to the credit. If you find the difference, to the debit side we have 0, which means there is no transaction, means 0. So the credit side is more, the balance will automatically be credit side. Now come to the next. Now cash and common stock is done. The third comes supplies. You need to prepare supplies account. So let us prepare supplies account. See where is the supply? Supply is debit. So go to the supply account and post it to the debit side. This is search supplies in the other transactions. I am searching, but I don't find any other supplies. So the account will be balanced now. The balance will be debit balance because we don't have any amount to the credit side. So total of debit is more than credit. It means it will have a debit balance. Now come to the next. After supplies we get cash. Cash account has already been prepared in the first time. So no need to prepare the accounts many times. If you have already prepared one time and posted all the transactions, so no need to prepare again and again. This cash was prepared. This cash was transferred when you have prepared the cash account. So all the cash is over. Cash, this and this. 4 cash are there and all 4 cash have been posted in one account cash. So though there is no need of preparing the cash account. Now after that we get equipment account. Equipment account is to be prepared. Equipment is debited, so come to the debit side and post the amount this way. And then we find the equipment in the other entry. No, there is no other equipment in the other entry. This equipment will have a debit balance because we don't have any amount in the credit side. So equipment account is also over and found the balance as debit. Then again come cash account. As I told you, cash is not required to prepare again. Then we come to the last one, that is notes payable account. This account will be prepared. So prepare this account. Search, this note payable has a credit balance. This has a credit side. So go to the note payable account. In the credit side, you will write this. And we don't have any other note payable after that. So we find the balance. The balance will be credit because we don't have any amount in the debit side. So credit side is more, it means it has a credit balance. In this way, we have got all the accounts prepared. We have seen the accounts: cash account, common stock account, supplies account, equipment account, and notes payable account. In this way, from these 4 entries, we have got the 5 different items that we have prepared as ledger accounts. And also we have got the balances of all these ledger accounts. Now coming to the 4th step, that is preparation of trial balance from these accounts. I have taken all the 5 accounts that we have prepared in 5 different slides. All the 5 have been put together at one slide just to help you. We have prepared cash account from the first journal entry. Then we have prepared common stock. Then we prepared supplies account. Then we prepared equipment account. Then we prepared notes payable account. So these 5 accounts have been prepared from the 4 journal entries. Now we have already the balances of these accounts. We have the balance of cash account. We have the balance of common stock. We have the balance of equipment. We have the balance of supplies, and we also have the balance of the notes payable. So almost our task is done. Trial balance is very simple thing. It is just an statement where we will write all the balances of the accounts. So we have 5 balances. We shall write the balances of these accounts according to their sides in the trial balance. So let us prepare trial balance. Trial balance is prepared. We shall write first of all the head of the trial balance. Then you can write the date on which it is prepared. We are not writing here because we are just explaining you because of the lack of space. So I am not giving much of the information in the same slide. So however, the first column is called the names of account column. Then the last 2 column is called the amount debit and amount credit. Okay. So starting from the first account. The first account was cash account. The balance of cash was debited. So this balance of cash has been written here, and the amount in the debit column because it has a debit balance. Then common stock has a credit balance. So we have written the common stock and its balance in the credit side. Then the supplies has a debit balance. So we have written the supplies and its balance in debit side. Equipment is also an account which has a debit balance. So equipment balance will also be written to the debit side. Notes payable has a credit balance. So we have written the notes payable balance in the credit side. So in this way we have found that out of the 5 accounts, 2 are going to the credit side. Common stock and notes payable are going to credit. The remaining 3, cash account, supplies and equipment, are going to the debit side. Now what is your task? If you have transferred the balances of accounts, now it's time to make the total. Make the total of debit and the total of credit. If you make the sum of debit and sum of credit and everything is correctly done, so you will find that the total is equal. Please make the sum: 12,700 plus 500 plus 800. This total is 14,000. To the credit side, we also have 10,000 and 4,000. This is also 14,000. This total is equal because whenever we pass a journal entry, in the journal entry we write the same amount to the debit side and same amount to the credit side. Because of this, the total of trial balance, debit side and credit side will match. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. But before that, I am giving you a question for practice. I have given you some 5 transactions for practice. With these transactions, what you have to do, you need to pass the journal entries. Then you need to post them into ledger, which means you need to prepare several accounts that are required, and then find the balance, and the balance will be used to prepare the trial balance. Issued common stock 20,000, purchased supplies on credit 6,000, sold supplies on credit 4,000, electricity bill paid 3,000, borrowed from bank 8,000. If you face any difficulty in any of the transactions or all of the transactions, you can write me in the comment section. I will be happy to respond you. I wish you good luck. Subscribe my channel and share the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please take care. See you next time. Good luck. Goodbye.